Is your WhatsApp notification missing on your iPhone? This can happen due to notification settings, app restrictions, or software issues. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve missing WhatsApp notifications on your iPhone. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Before moving on, make sure to turn airplane mode on and off. Be sure to turn off the Do Not Disturb mode. Make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Solution 1. Check iPhone notification settings. Open up the Settings app. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap Notifications. Now tap Show Previews. Make sure to choose Always. Then go back. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap WhatsApp. Now enable the Allow Notifications. Next, make sure to enable the lock screen, notification center, and banners alerts. Now restart your iPhone and see whether it is solved or not. Solution 2. Check WhatsApp notification settings. First, open up the WhatsApp app. After that, tap the settings icon below. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Notifications. Make sure to enable all the settings except the clear badge. Still, if your issue persists, tap Reset Notification Settings from the bottom. Tap Reset. It will reset all your WhatsApp notification settings. Solution 3. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back. Scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If it is disabled, then you won't get any notifications from WhatsApp. Solution 4. Turn off restrictions. Open up the settings. After that, scroll down a little bit. Tap Screen Time. Next, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle it off. Solution 5. Update iPhone iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If you see that a software update is available, then update your iPhone software to fix this problem. And that's it. This is how you can solve the WhatsApp notification missing issue on your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.